is it going, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're here. I'm gonna be introducing my YouTube channel, Pokey, as everyone calls me. But the most thing about my YouTube channel is this application, Discord. You can join my server. Basically, I'll be leaving a link in the description so you guys can join it. We chat, people are friendly. What is the most thing I like about it? You guys can tell me which game I can play, which game I should record about. Yeah, video recommendation, free server shouts. I will be shouting out every single of your servers as I did some of your YouTubers couple here. Rules. This is what the most important in here. You need to join the. You need to read this at all. This is the most important thing. Yeah, me 6. He will be the bot that will be controlling the whole Discord server while I won't be here. So I make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. I don't know if this video might be short or not, but I will be introducing my YouTube channel, me Pokey, and I have a Roblox name, Roblox. A couple of days before, as you saw, I got like hacked. This is not my account. Yeah. Oh no. PokeJ, you can go ahead and friend me. I will be accepting loads of friend requests. But the most thing, I want you to guys join Discord server because I'm always active here. So yeah, you can listen to music and what. Yeah. So what you wanna do is what songs to play. You click that, but you have to be inside something. You play anything you want. I'm just gonna play Dead. Play Dead. Medicine Bay. What's gonna be happening? Click that. I don't even know you guys can hear it or not, but I'm gonna leave it default. So there's a couple of YouTubers. I wanna shout a couple of them. Make sure you go and follow them all right now. OG Community, Roblox Gifts, our username this, whole squad, YRNK Community, and do not forget to subscribe to YRNK and Island Royale, Pressy official Discord server, Presidency, Gav, fan group, oof, yeah. Yeah, today guys, it's Landon's birthday. Happy birthday to Landon, my man. If you're watching this, happy birthday, have a good day. Yeah, some people are playing. I'm kind of lagging with my voice. No. So, hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on because YouTube does not send you every single uploads I upload. So, the video that I'm uploading right now will be going on here, so you can check it out if you didn't watch it before. I will be leaving a link on my Discord in the description. Like, subscribe, and guys, peace.